By the end of this year, at least one of these smart home gadgets will be inside your house. Right now, almost nobody is talking about them. I spent weeks digging through new smart home releases, not recycled Amazon lists, and these are the ones that actually change how your home feels. One of them can replace your entire power grid. Another fixes a laundry problem that's been broken for decades. And number 2, that one could completely flip your electric bill. Let's start with the one that looks like it shouldn't even exist. Number 15, Samsung Ballie. Now this one doesn't sit in a corner, it moves. Ballie is a rolling AI home robot that follows you room to room, adjusting lights, checking on pets, pulling up your schedule. But here's the thing, it doesn't wait for commands. Walk through the door after work and it's already projecting your calendar on the wall. Yes, projecting. Workout videos on the floor, video calls anywhere. It positions itself automatically for the best angle. It feels less like a gadget and more like your house finally paying attention. Number 14, 8 Sleep Pod, 5 Ultra. You spend a third of your life in bed, and most mattresses just trap heat. This one actively cools or heats you all night, automatically. The Pod 5 Ultra pumps temperature-controlled water through a smart cover, adjusting in real time based on your heart rate and breathing. Start to snore? It gently raises your head. You don't wake up. Your partner doesn't wake up. Each side runs independently. And here's what owners say. Once you sleep on it, regular beds feel broken. Number 13, EufyCam S4 Plus E340 Doorbell. Most security cameras force a choice. Wide view or zoom. This one runs both at the same time. A 4K lens watches everything. A second motorized lens locks onto motion and tracks it automatically. No blind spots. Pair it with the dual camera doorbell and you see faces and packages simultaneously. And here's the thing, no monthly fees, solar powered, local storage. Set it once and stop thinking about it. Quick note, if you're new here, this is what I do every week. I sort through thousands of products and pull out the ones actually worth knowing about. If that helps you, subscribing takes 2 seconds. Number 12, Dyson Big+Quiet Purifier. Most air purifiers are built for bedrooms. This one is built for open concept homes. It projects purified air over 30 feet across a room, and it's still whisper quiet. But here's why that matters. If you've ever cooked bacon and the smell lingers for hours, this fixes that. The filter lasts up to 5 years, and instead of just trapping formaldehyde, it breaks it down permanently. You won't hear it. You'll just notice the air feels lighter. Number 11, SwitchBot Curtain 3. You automated your lights, but you still walk over to pull curtains every morning. This snaps onto your existing rod in 30 seconds. No tools. In quiet mode, it opens slowly like a sunrise, 25 decibels. That's barely audible. Add the solar panel and you never charge it. It's the kind of small upgrade that makes mornings feel calmer. Stay with me. Item 2 coming up is the most financially powerful device on this entire list. Number 10, Lockin Vino Plus. Fingerprints can be copied. Faces can be spoofed. This reads the veins inside your palm. It scans beneath your skin, mapping patterns that can't be replicated. Wet hands? Works. Dirty hands? Works. Built-in 2K camera, 180-degree view, no subscription required. It feels like something from a sci-fi movie, except it's already shipping. Number 9, Spinn 2. If your coffee setup takes up half the counter, listen to this. The Spinn 2 replaces espresso, drip, and cold brew machines in one unit. Instead of pressure pumps, it spins water through coffee at different speeds. That's how it mimics cafe-level extraction. It weighs beans automatically, down to 1/10 of a gram. 0 pods, 0 waste, 0 compromise. It's the kind of machine that makes mornings feel intentional. Number 8, Boldr Klima. If you use a window AC or mini split, you've been ignored by smart thermostats. This fixes that. Klima works with over 10,000 infrared AC models. But here's the part that matters. You can lock temperature ranges. So no teenager or guest cranks it to 60 degrees. If your summer electric bill makes you pause before opening it, this was built for you. Open window detection. Auto shut off when you leave. Some users report up to 30% savings. We're about halfway through. And item 2 could genuinely change how you think about power at home. Don't skip ahead. Drop in the comments which one you'd actually buy. I'm especially curious what the US and UK crowd thinks so far. Number 7. Kidde Smart Smoke and Co-Alarm. Most alarms just scream. At 3 a.m., that's chaos. This one speaks clearly. It announces fire or carbon monoxide. That clarity wakes people faster than noise alone. You get alerts instantly, even if you're out of town. And for a few dollars a month, emergency services dispatch automatically. That's the kind of upgrade you hope you never need, but you'll be grateful you installed. Number 6. Droplet. Water damage doesn't start dramatic, it starts quietly. Droplet clamps onto your main water line. No pipe cutting. It listens to your entire home's water flow, and it can tell the difference between a shower running and a leak inside a wall. One installation. Permanent peace of mind. No subscriptions. If you've ever known someone with a $20,000 water repair, this hits differently. Number 5. Haelyn Smart Faucet. Most faucets look modern. This one shows the temperature before you touch it. An LED strip changes color in real time. No guessing, no burns. Power Boost handles heavy pans fast, and it installs without tools. It's practical, but it feels futuristic every single time. Almost there, and the final 2 are genuinely the strongest ones. Number 4. Flic Duo. Sometimes voice control is overkill. You just want a button. This gives you 2, plus gesture control. Twist your wrist to dim lights. Swipe to skip music. Battery lasts up to 3 years. Magnet mount anywhere. It's the kind of simple control that makes smart homes usable for everyone. Number 3. Qalzy AI Kitchen Scale. Here's something unexpected. A kitchen scale that sees your food. Set your plate down and it identifies what's there automatically. Calories, protein, carbs, no typing, no app searching. It even reads nutrition labels with its camera. For anyone serious about health, it removes the friction completely. Number 2. EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X. This is not a battery pack. It's a silent home power plant. It can run central AC, refrigerators, even entire homes. When the grid fails, it switches in 20 milliseconds. You won't even see the lights flicker. Add solar, and it can automatically shift between grid and battery based on pricing. Storm coming? It charges itself ahead of time. Some homeowners report saving thousands per year. This isn't backup power, it's energy independence. Number 1. LG WashCombo. The all-in-one washer dryer has been a broken promise for decades. Too slow, too small, clothes still damp. LG finally fixed it. It washes and fully dries a full load in under 2 hours. From a regular wall outlet, no vent, no rewiring, and here's the thing, it uses a heat pump that recycles hot air instead of wasting it. Up to 60% less energy. Closet install, condo install, anywhere install. It's the kind of upgrade that quietly improves your life every single week. That's every item on this list. If you made it this far, drop the word power in the comments. I'll know you actually watched. New videos drop every Sunday. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if this saves you hours of scrolling, sharing it with someone who loves tech genuinely helps this channel grow. See you next week.